everyone, this is my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for being loyal to my channel. So today I have a spiritual box, and I also have my guest Vicki from West Coast Wiik. You scooch in here, and she's gonna help me unbox this box. So I paid, I want to say $20. They had a special going. I think it's like $39.99 normally. I will leave the link and all the information below, but I'm pretty sure I paid like $20 for this box. So let's get into it. I'm gonna give Vicki the card so she can be my Vanna and read it to me.
This box is so pretty. Oh my goodness.
Yes, you open it up, and I don't know if you can see what it has. Where were they? They have my little cactus. Can you see where my little cactus? Oh, there they are. They have my little cactus on there. So I'm happy. And this is the card with everything that's in it. There's also a $10 code off, so I will leave that below. And I guess this is the winter box, and it's filled with $170 worth of beauty. So nice. Technically, I guess it's still winter. And it comes nicely wrapped as I get into it. And the first thing is, Charlie's here to help. Is this care?
That is, oh, here we go. Yeah, a sample pack by Cosmetic Bag, and it's a $40 value.
Ooh. And we've got the simplest way to transform your skin. Oh, and it's got morning, evening routine in there, and everything that's in here. That's a big help, yeah. Oh, it's got start the day. It's got some wipies in here.
This is supposed to last you 4 days.
Wow.
With 2 of each.
There's that. Oh dear.
Wow.
There's all of this. Ooh. There's night cream. 2 things of night cream for all skin types. So yeah,
That's a cute little bag too.
I'll be making sure it ends up in my car.
Well,
Vicki's,
I wouldn't keep it.
Vicki's already eyeballing it.
Oh, I'm eyeballing something else, but
Okay, and the Crafty Chica.
oh.
It's time to get crafty. This is an ornament from the latest Crafty Chica product line. You see the card, I don't see the... Is this the Crafty?
I think so.
Oh, this will be staying with Vicki. Do I look like a Crafty Chica?
I can make you a Crafty Chica.
Okay, do you see the Crafty Chica?
I do.
Oh, what do you do
It's
with this?
a DIY ornament. And it's a heart cactus. You better open that fast.
Oh.
You might want it. Or maybe I could do it for you really quick.
Make, yeah. Ooh.
Oh.
Now this is nice.
That's not the cactus. You got the one that's not the cactus. Out of 3 of them.
Okay then. It's really nice. Vicki will have so much fun playing with this.
Huh. That's...
And what do you do? Do you
I think you're supposed to paint it.
Oh yeah, I see there's 3, and
There's
I didn't
3.
get the cactus. Okay, box is going back.
Has a $10 value.
Okay, there you go.
Crafty Chica. Oh, that's
And
cute.
then what is this one? It's by Meraki Wayu. Let the colors tell your story.
And that's a pom-pom keychain bag charm.
Oh, I love this.
Yeah, put that on your purse, and it has a $15 value. That's really cute.
Well, it's funny. We keep buying suitcases, Not that obviously we're going anywhere soon, but Dennis is always saying, put a string on the suitcase so you know which one is yours. And now I can put this on there.
Yeah.
And because nobody else is going to claim it but me. So this is really nice.
That is really cute.
Yeah, that is cute. And then I got the GYV Vanilla Hand Cream. Okay, now's the time to get hand cream. With washing your hands like 50 times a day, my hands, I don't know about yours, but my hands are super, super dry. So this hand cream could not have come in at a better time. How much was this?
That has a value of $24, and it comes in either vanilla or Dahlia, D-A-L-I-A.
Oh, I got vanilla.
Ooh, okay.
So that's really nice.
Yeah.
And then it looks like we got a
Ooh.
glow stick.
Ooh, you ready to go party and
Organic,
You know,
vegan, handcrafted.
you missed
What
it.
do you do with it? Oh
You-
yes, of course I'm ready to play.
get your glow on?
Yeah.
This is to enhance your complexion with a natural dewy finish. Has a value of $25.
And that's what it looks like. It smells good. You want to smell
Yeah, it's not bad.
it? Okay.
I never know what to really do with those. I don't know.
And it's got all these things that I love. I can leave them all over Vicky's house.
Thank you.
Her husband will know I was here.
They're kind of on the floor anyway.
Okay.
Charlie will,
And we got cooling, anti-stress, essential
Ooh,
oil
that's a good
roll-on, lavender,
especially now.
eucalyptus, and peppermint.
That has a $20 value.
Oh, we gotta smell this. This is what it looks like. It's a little roller ball. You can smell the eucalyptus.
That does smell good.
Put a little on.
Okay, I want some too. Okay. Now I'm de-stressed. I don't think I was stressed before.
Oh.
Okay.
We are in California, so we can do yoga.
Wait, what is Charlie doing back there? Okay.
I don't know. These something. Then we got
Oh.
this big thing. Reed diffuser,
those are
premium
nice.
fragrance in amber.
Ooh, I bet that smells
So
good.
these must be the Reeds. I love getting these in my
I do too.
subscription boxes. This is one thing you can never say no to. These and candles.
And that says it's supposed to last for 6 months. And it has a
Okay.
$40 value.
So if we are quarantined for 6 months, I will be good to go.
There you go.
So is that everything
I
that we
think so.
got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. I think
I'm
that's
a little
it.
disappointed I didn't get the cactus.
I know. When
Oh, you're supposed to paint it.
I have paints in the garage.
And who keeps paints in their garage?
I do. I have paints. I'll make a painter out of you.
Okay.
I'll
I'll be
make you
taking a
paint.
pass on that one.
I'll make you paint it for me.
Okay. So this was everything we got. The Reed diffuser, we got the thing that you actually have to do your own work on. I love my little,
We can make some of those too, you know.
okay, taking a pass on that one. Got the glow stick. I can't wait to use this. This smells amazing.
That
The
is
roller ball. Hand lotion. Who does not need hand lotion? And this goodie bag of how to take care of your skin day and night. And then of course there's our little $10, and I will leave the link in how to order the box. So I want to thank Vicki for hosting me in her backyard, which is absolutely gorgeous. And she also took me by the ocean today. And it was so beautiful to be near the ocean and not the sand in my backyard. So let me know what you thought of this box. I know you had to love the video of the two of us.
And Charlie.
Oh, and Charlie, he's back there. I think he thinks he's a bird. He's on a tree. And Charlie, come say hi. Oh, there he comes. Come say hi. And as always, you guys have an awesome day. Bye.
Bye.